How you guys doing? So today we're going to be installing the fender liners. Pretty boring install, honestly. I'm going to try to do it without taking the tire off, but it's way easier to take the wheel off to get to everything. I should have all the factory inserts and clips, so hopefully it goes smoother than I want it to go. They're aftermarket fender liners, so they always suck compared to OEM. Very difficult to get AP2 fender liners anywhere besides the dealership. Maybe I don't even know if the dealer even sells them anymore, but so I'm gonna try to put them on, and yeah, hopefully everything goes great. It's one of the last few things I have to put on, and then the car is basically donezo, so stay tuned. Put these inserts in the bumper and then get a bolt to those, a few more clips, and then underneath a couple more. So it's gonna take a little bit of finessing, so hopefully it'll be quicker than I want, but I'll get it done. So got the first side done. I'm gonna move on to the passenger side. Got it jacked up, got a jack stand underneath the suspension over there to have the tire, and basically roll this one on. That side definitely aftermarket suck to put on because the holes don't really align, but I mean with a little bit of heat you definitely can massage it to fit pretty good. So fender liners are all done. Next on the list is giving this thing a good cleaning. Inside and outside haven't been washed in weeks. A lot of stuff has been going on. So finally gonna give it a nice vacuum, interior cleaning, and then wash the whole outside. Can't wait. We're about to give it a wash. Check how nasty these wheels are. Ew. Brake dust nation. Ew. Plenty of goop and gum all over this thing. We got the car all cleaned up, it's shining, have a few other things to do. We have to put in an exhaust tip as well as the Izzy air pump delete, and then the car is basically done. It came a long way from being smacked in the front to back on the road. I'm loving it, it's been such a beautiful day, and I can't wait to see what's next. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, leave a like. If you leave a dislike, at least leave a comment too to let me know why you disliked it and what I can work on. But as always, be blessed. Be super.
So you kind of went really fast, and I don't think you could hear be blessed and be super because you like revved it. You shouldn't have revved it.
I said be blessed and be super. They'll hear it. Let's go.
Okay.
I'll turn up the audio. I don't even know what I'm saying. Like, I really have no idea. Oh, shot, done, next, done, you know.
I just want to be your cameraman.